Ulsar Kaber, Edward, hi. Ahad, one. Nakita ko sa live ko. Ano? Kita mo sa live? Sa live ko? Oh. Thank you so much guys for joining. Lumalakas tayo yung tugtog! Wala na! Hi Chabe! From Heidi Rabad, Telegram, India. Hi JC! Shout out JC! Kabir Guitar. Hi Guitar. Good evening. Ayan. Shout out, good evening. Ano bang araw ngayon? Happy Tuesday, guys. No, Thursday pala. Happy Thursdays. Thursday in the Philippines. Ala. Ala. Sumabit. Sumabit yung pit ko. Sayang naman yung short. Ayan. Pokemon! Hi, Pokemon! Can you put the camera down on your feet? Dirty. My feet is dirty. Ay, marunong ka mag-ano? Ria, may panglinis ka ng kuko? Ako pa, tinanong mo. Ako hindi nagtilinis. Ay, hindi ka marunong. Looking amazing on live. Edmond, hi! Tunling, MG, hi everyone! I love you. Ali Muhammad. Yan, please connect to Kuya Boo, guys! Tap your feet on the floor. Pastilan, ang dami mo request ba? Dami mo ano, travel mullings. Pagkan kayo kag-request dong. Ano man talaga like, gusto mo dong? Tonling, ayan. Taimi. Sajan, ayan. Hindi nyo ba nakikita yung feet ko? Don't worry because later, if I will sleeping, you can see my feet very well. Kasi it's very near of the camera. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Oh, bye. Oh, bye. Ali Mamid, hi, bonjour, 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 bonjour. Good evening, good evening. Good evening, good evening. From KGX, I don't know that KGX. Philippines is such an amazing place with hardworking people. Thank you so much, Kabi. Yeah, that's right. How are you doing, ma'am? I'm doing very good. Osibik, I was busy this afternoon. The whole day I was so busy because I was cooking, preparing together with Kuya Boo. Kuya Boo Kuya Boo helps me to cook. We was cooking our food for my husband's birthday. So that's why we're busy. But it's already done. The party was done.
I need your Facebook account. Apat nga gano'n, sinisipa ko na. At binakot sa rin.
Randy Bunod. Hello, Arabic people. Jan Kiben Samudjo. Hi. Good evening, guys. Good evening, everything.